Hello, I got a question from one of my Django students, and the question was, if I'm purely working on the Django admin dashboard and I happen to forget the admin password, how can I go about resetting the admin password? And this video is going to show you how to reset the Django admin password from the Python shell. Remember, if you're using the default login page, you may not have a functionality to reset your password. But then the Python shell got you covered. Okay, so I'm using a test application that I'll be showing you here. So in the meantime, I'll be making use of test pass at 1 2 3. Okay, so that's what I'll be using. I'll have admin, try to put in test, and it's not working. So very quickly, I have my terminal here and I'll access the server on which that test application is hosted. So I simply do detect. Don't worry, that's just an alias. Then just call test and it will take me to the directory under which this application is hosted. So basically you just do cd to the directory under which your Python application is hosted in. Again, remember to activate your virtual environment. All right. So the next thing we simply have, then from here, we import the user model from the django.contrib.auth.models. Okay, then the next thing, if you probably don't remember your admin username, then you can simply get a list of the users in the user model. So this is how to do it. All right, so just identify your admin username and proceed to reset the password. So let's assign our admin username to a variable called user, in this case user in lowercase, okay, or just any other name assigned to the user for my admin account. Okay, then I do have, can simply provide the new password that I want to set. Okay. Okay, once we have that, we simply do have user.save. All right, so let's go back to the browser and confirm. So I'll just paste. Remember, this is currently the password that I just set. So I'll remove that here and paste it here. Okay, then click on login. And there we go. Don't agree to be logged out of your Django admin dashboard. With just a few commands, you can be able to reset that. That is it for this video. See you in the next one.